Another common problem that I get some calls on essentially is the idea that when you're in SheetCAM, you cannot upload your part, or it's just the wrong size. So what the issue with that is essentially when I right click, hit new part, I want to make sure it says DXF down here, right? I then select my part. Large holes, that's what we brought in there. I open it up. If I have metric selected, I then select OK. It will then change the size of my part, and it will be 25.4 times wrong. As you can see, it's basically the toy version of it. So right click, delete. Now if your part is too big, hypothetically what could have happened is if you drew it in Inkscape and you exported it with a different unit other than whatever you drew it in, right? So if you export it in Inkscape in general, you can import it with a 1:1 and it will be the perfect size. If you drew it in QCAD, Fusion 360, Inventor, SolidWorks, whatever, right? If you drew it an inch means an inch. But essentially, Inkscape, if not exported correctly, you will need to basically change it to 1:1 or metric because it exports the file in metric. That's all that really is to it. So